Hello everyone, welcome to day 21 of 30 days LeetCode challenge. Today we are going to solve combination sum problem require us to find all unique combination in the list of positive integers where the chosen number sum to the target. The same number from candidates may be chosen an unlimited number of times. So here you can see one example 2, 3, 6, 7 and target is 7. So to get the sum 7, we have two candidates 2 and 3. 2 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 7. So note that here we have used 2 for multiple times. 7 is a candidate which is equal to 7. That's why we took 7 as well. So these are the two outputs 2, 2, 3 and 7. So to solve this problem, we are going to use backtracking approach. In that, we will first sort the candidate array which will help us to avoid the duplicate and early termination, and then we will use backtracking. Backtracking will start with an empty combination and add candidates one by one. If the current combination exceeds the target, we will backtrack by removing the last added candidate. And if the current combination is equal to the target, then we will save it. And we will continue until we explore all the possible combinations. So let's start coding. So as mentioned, we will declare first a result variable which will store all the possible combinations. And we will return this result variable. This will be our last step. So before returning, we will do sorting of a candidate. So we will use arrays.sort method. And now it's time to declare our backtrack method. For that, we will declare method getCombo and we will pass result, new array list, candidates, target and 0, which will be our initial index. So now let's define this method. So we will write private void getCombo and then we will pass result, current combo, candidates, remain and start. Now inside this method we will check if remain is less than 0. If it is less than 0, it means it's a negative value. So it's not a valid combination, so we will return. Otherwise, we will check if remain is equal to 0. If it is equal to 0, it means we got a valid combination. So we will add this combination inside our result and then we will return. Now we will have a for loop which will iterate from I is equal to start till I is less than candidates.length. Inside the for loop, we will add our candidate's ith value inside the current combo. After that, we will call our method again. So we will call getCombo and we will pass our result, current combos, candidates and remain minus candidates of I. So this will give us the remaining count which is required and then we will pass I. So note that we are not passing I plus 1, we are passing I as we can use same element multiple times. And after that, for backtracking, once we call the method, we will remove our last element from current combo. And now this will keep repeating and give us all the possible combinations. So now let's check if everything looks fine. I think it looks fine, so let's try to run the code. And it's working. Sorting helps in handling duplicates and make it easy to terminate the recursion early when the remaining target becomes negative. By starting the loop from the current index and not resetting it to 0, help us to avoid same combinations multiple times. Backtracking is essential in exploring all possible combinations and removing invalid path when the sum exceeds the target or no more candidates are available. Time complexity is big of 2 raised to power n in the worst case when n is number of candidates. So that's it for today's explanation. I hope you found it helpful. Stay tuned for more problem solving insights tomorrow. Happy coding!